Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you, Lhanel Pilates Reformer Board review. So you might be wondering, what is this Pilates Reformer Board like you may be hearing? Well, the Lhanel Pilates Reformer set is a compact portable home fitness board built around a sliding platform combined with resistance bands, designed to simulate parts of the traditional Pilates Reformer experience in a smaller, more affordable format. Unlike commercial reformers here, which use a spring-loaded carriage on rails, this use a gliding board plus band tension to create resistance during exercise. It comes fully assembled out of the box. Now, for use, or how do you exactly use this? Well, in this case, what you need to do is you want to just set the board on a flat, stable surface with enough room to move. Adjust the resistance band to your preferred tension and follow along with the included workout guide for instructional videos. Now, it's also available, or those videos are also available on the official site as well if you want to look for it for specific exercises. Now, the board is designed for a range of movements from beginner routines to more advanced Pilates style work, primarily engaging the lower body and core through sliding and controlled resistance motion. Now, on the pricing side here, the Pilates Reformer set is currently listed at around $139.95 on the brand's official site, positioning it well below the traditional Reformer, which commonly runs from several hundred to several $1,000s for home use models. Now, some third-party listings and promotional pages show it's priced lower, around $75 to $130 with ongoing discounts. The purchase typically comes with a money-back guarantee with specific return windows varying where it's purchased. Now, pricing itself may differ, so in this case, you may want to check their website or different sources if you really want to buy this product. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.